This is the demonstration of smart power sliding 90-degree gate. This is the motor and this is the garage. In the garage there is no space for the sliding gate to slide that side. So the only way to design is to move this gate to this 90 degree in this side. And this is the remote control. I press the button. You can see the gate is coming and turning 90 degree. So beautifully, smoothly, without any noise. And you can see the gate is going to the closing position. Now the gate will reach the closing position and the gate is closed. I press the remote again and the gate is opening. And you can see it is turning beautifully. Complete 90 degree. So no extra space is required on this side for the sliding. We can make 10 meter, 15 meter, 20 meter such type of sliding gate without any problem. Thank you for the successful demo.